This is the Giant Athletic Shoe Care Kit, an all-in-one kit that gives you everything you need to keep your sneakers looking fresh. Included in the kit are one shoe brush, a 4-ounce bottle of athletic shoe cleaner, a 4-ounce bottle of shoe shield, and a 4-ounce bottle of freshener. Our athletic shoe cleaner is a proprietary gentle cleaning formula. It cleans, conditions, and preserves the surface of the shoe and is safe for use on all fabrics, including leather, canvas, and nylon. The Shoe Shield waterproofing formula is effective on all types of material. Its non-toxic solution creates a permanent bond that resists water and oil contaminants. The Shoe Shield is also resistant to UV rays that cause fading of material. Our freshener formula has a clean scent that eliminates odors and helps prevent reoccurring odor. It's great for use on all types of footwear, and it can be used on duffel bags, mats, and all types of equipment. Our brush design has gentle cleaning bristles and is just the right size to clean all styles of sneakers. The clear bristle design lets you see all the debris you've collected off the shoes so you can properly maintain your brush. To get started with your kit, you will also need a small tub of water and a microfiber cloth or towel. Today we're going to clean these Vans Old Schools. You can see all the scuffs and marks on the midsole and all the dirt on the upper. This kit will handle all that. Let's get started. To get started, you want to grab your brush, dunk it in the water, and add a small amount of the athletic shoe cleaner. Now you're ready to start scrubbing all along the midsole. And with these Vans, it has a rubber midsole, so you can go ahead and use a lot of elbow grease to get all those scuff marks and all that dirt off. A little bit goes a long way. You don't have to keep adding more formula. You can dunk it right back in the water and keep scrubbing away. Once you get to the upper, go ahead and be a little more gentle on there on that fabric. It'll start cleaning everything off. Once you've given the shoes a good clean, go ahead and wipe everything down with a microfiber cloth. Also too, you can dab a little bit on the cloth and get into the finer details, like into the edges of the shoe, also some of the harder to reach places. Is good to do with the microfiber towel. Just go ahead and clean everything off, get it nice and dry. Now here's a comparison between the two shoes. As you can see, the one I just cleaned looks brand new. Okay, we're not done yet. Take the freshener that's in the kit and give it a couple of good sprays on the inside. Make sure to get deep into the toe box area. Not only will you be looking fresh, you'll be smelling fresh too. All right, and lastly, we're gonna hit it with a shoe shield. This is gonna waterproof your shoe. It's gonna protect it from all the elements. Go ahead and hold your shoes about 6 to 8 inches away. Give it a nice good coating all the way around. Make sure to get the back, also in the shoelaces. And once you're done with this, let your shoes dry for 24 hours. And here it is, our Vans Old School restored with a Giant Athletic Shoe Care Kit. All right, here's our final result. You see we've done this Vans Old School. This kit's got everything you need. Everything from our shoe cleaner to our freshener to our shoe shield. We got a brush. This kit will keep you looking fresh.